Fried rice, vegetable fried rice, Indian vegetable fried rice, vegan Indian vegetable fried rice, vegetarian Indian vegetable fried rice. It's delicious. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So of course you could be using any selection of vegetables that you want. I'm going to show you what I've got today. 1 cup these are. I'm using carrots cut nice and small, bell peppers, mixed colours, and here I've got some zucchini or courgettes or kusa, whatever you call them. But yeah, go for mushrooms, corn, I mean anything goes, doesn't it? 1/2 cup of sliced onion, about 1/2 cup of green onions, tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, fresh chili, up to you if you want to put it in. I just like it in there, and I'm putting it in quite big. Yeah, it's up to you what you want to put it, how much you want to put in. And today I'm using curry powder. I've got 2 teaspoons of a homemade curry powder. Rice, let's have a look. I've got 3 cups here of rice. Now you might have heard me say this before. This is a basmati rice, but what's important that it was made yesterday. It's been in the fridge. It's cold. Cold rice fries way better than hot or warm rice. Let's go. So you're going to need a wok, pan, kind of large skillet type thing. I'm using coconut oil, but change the oil, do any oil that you like. I've got about 3 tablespoons there. High heat, I've just put the heat on, but put it on maximum. We're going to drop in the cumin seeds. I mean, you could, if you want, get some whole cardamom in there, something like that, some cinnamon or something. 1/2 cup of onion. And I'm going to get my carrots in now because they're a hard vegetable. So if you were putting celery in, for example, get that in now. Very simply, high heat, 3 to 4 minutes. Fabulous. Going to get that optional chili in now. And the garlic. Now if you wanted, you could be using garlic and ginger, but I'm just going to go with garlic on this one today. We're going to add salt. We're going to add black pepper powder. Then I'm going to add my last 2 vegetables. So I've just got my bell peppers and my zucchini, as most of you call that. Then a couple of teaspoons of that lovely curry powder. That's a homemade powder. Maybe if I remember, I'll leave the link at the end. It really is good. Try it out. Okay, again, high heat, about another 3 or 4 minutes. Stir often. Like I say, any selection of vegetable go. Mushrooms are good in here, for example. Okay, rice time. Cold cooked. Like I say, this is from yesterday. 4 to 5 minutes. If you're regular to the show, you may have heard me say this as well. If I get any browning or blackening on my rice, I'm happy. You actually have to cook your rice. We're frying it. This is fried rice, not rice salad. So actually fry it. Takes longer than most people think. Beautiful stuff. Okay, so I hope you can hear that. That is our rice frying. Need to fry it. Okay, off goes the heat. Now we did have those green onions, spring onions or scallions, whatever you call them, in there you go. I'm now going to be adding some cilantro or coriander in the mix as well. A little mix, job done, it's beautiful. Okay, and there we have it. Very, very simple, really, really delicious, super versatile, vegan, vegetarian, spicy, Indian, delicious. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.